go. So obviously we were looking at the shower before, which is over there. Sorry, that's slow. Over there. Panning back around, I've got to remove the existing ceiling that's there and to clean off the fittings. So anyway, to get the shower completely sealed and finished off, I'm going to use this. It's called No More Leaks. There is actually a video on YouTube, so get that. Yep. Then you get this tape which comes along with it as well, and within that you get, sorry I'll just drop it down so you can see that. It's got all there, you can see that small bit there. So that bit there goes under whatever covering you're going to apply, and then this part here goes up against the wall. You can see that, so it holds in like a little L shape. I can't apply it all today because on a certain part the plums are going to come back in. I'm going to put some plasterboard in so that I can run it all the way around the plasterboard and then create a seal. I'm also going to use it vertically as well, and I'll show you where I'm going to use it vertically. Apparently the plumbers that fitted the last screen didn't. They should have fitted the shower board first and then fitted the shower screen on top of that so we've got a good seal. What they did was they fitted the shower and then tried to cut the boarding fit inside the shower, and they cut it a little bit short and they sealed it with mastic, which at the time was degraded, and so that's why we got some of the leaks. So yes, I thought, well, we can use this again. Okay, there we go. We'll use it vertically and then pour the seal in the quadrant which goes down the side. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get on with it, do as much as I can do. I think I can do some of the verticality and leave some of the shower tray. So I'm going to clean off the mastic off the shower tray. For that, you can use this. So this is what I bought from JTL. Use the smaller one though down there, not the larger one, because we don't want to scratch the shower tray. So I'm going to do a little video showing you how to do that. And then I bought one of these as well, which is, you know, an extendable blade so that I can get in at the mastic in the corners. Now, you have to use these very, very carefully. So you're trying not to cut the shower tray. I'm quite experienced with using hand tools because I'm a carpenter by trade. And so, yes, that's what's needed to be able to clean it up. So I'm going to turn the camera around, point to where I'm going to go, and then I'm going to do the cleaning. Thank you. As you can see, there is one there. So I've got a proprietary system which is going to go along here and seal the shower before the panels go in. And obviously you can see there from the mold. So that was where the shower was leaking as well. So it was time for it to come out. Let me just switch the light around on here so I can push this inside the hole and you can see what I'm doing. Right, so this, I don't know if you remember how it was before, but that's what they've done. So you can see that that is a lot better than the previous fittings that were in place. That's sealed, by the way, so nothing goes into there. That was just to take the waste from the shower, which we have now. But the main thing is you can see that the waste there has not reduced the size of the waste pipe. And so we've got a fault flow there, so we're not going to get the blockages that we were getting before. Why the previous builder didn't do that before, I don't know, but here we are. Okay, so this is Neville Douglas signing off, and company's Ashanti Dutch Property Letting. If there's any questions, then please post them on the link below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and yeah, I will speak to you soon.